everybody, welcome back to the Webpack. Today I have another vlog. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just here sitting on my new bed in my freshly made French fries. Just kidding, they're not freshly made actually, they kind of are. As soon as I got home they were just made, so. My favorite one. But as I said, I wake up to a perfect view outside. I love it. I could just doze off to it forever. You guys may not see the perfect view that I get, but hey. And as soon as I wake up, I get a nice full view of my room. All these cages right over there. Lamp and bedstand. TV. And door, closet. The perfect view of everything. Sorry, that's so good. And if you guys want to get a tour of my bed, okay. I'll show you what my bed looks like. So I got my ladder right here. This is my bed. It may look kind of messy right now. Actually, wait. It's not that messy. I have to pull down my horse. My toy horse. And those of you at school, you guys already know me enough that, of course, my bed's going to be filled up with animal toys. And also, this is a pillow pit. Yes, this is a pillow pit. Named Tyson. Don't judge me. This is where my two mascots sleep. Or, as other people would call my pets. I see Charlie. Charlie. You want me to pet you on your little pillow, on your little belly, don't you? Okay, you little cutie. Anything for you. Because you're just too cute. But apparently Charlie found a way to get him on my bed, so that kind of defeated the purpose. But I still really like this bed. It's very comfy. And yeah, my Minecraft video may come out later today. Really good. Because my mom is not working on anything today, and I'm Kinsley still here, so yeah. But yeah, I had a great day at school today. Again, I love school. School is amazing. Kids, do it. Don't drop out of it. I swear. If you do, you're dead to me. No, I'm just kidding. If you like, do what you want. But I prefer to stay in school because it gets me spiked. And that's why I want to grow up to be a zoologist. Apparently my friend Brianna wants to grow up to be bald. No, I'm just kidding. That's just a joke that she told me on the bus. Just actually a few minutes ago, so yeah. Just sit down in the chair with me. There you go. Have a fix fight. Sorry. That's a long number. Oh. Look at my little wooden ladder. Can't get it. Oh, there you go. Ta-da. This bed is really comfy. Hey.
Out.
Why? I'm doing a vlog. Why do they have to go out?
Homework?
Yeah. So why did they have to get out?
Were you here when Charlie was jumping on the bed this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why?
I just think it's funny she can jump up, but she can't jump down.
Yeah, I know. She can?
No, she can't get down. She cries to get down.
I saw her jump down this morning.
Not for me.
Charlie, you're an amazing dog. I love you. Mom, can you please shut my door?
I had a surprise coming for you.
What is it? Come on. I hate surprises.
You'll like this one.
Okay. I just don't like waiting.
Huh?
I just don't like waiting. I'm very impatient. Wait a second. Hold on, guys. Mom, is it that extra Christmas gift that never came in? The little flop?
No, I don't even know what happened with those stupid things.
I don't know either. On Christmas, my mom said, put that on my desk. That's my money, girl. Why are you messing with my... You robbing me? Girl! What a jerk. She just robbed me. But yeah, guys, little Azriel Dreamer. Little Chica. This may be a duck, but who knows? Just like Chica, you don't know if it's a duck or a chicken. Wanna play a game? Yeah. These French fries are really good, though. If only you could eat them. Well, guys, I'm pretty sure that's all for today. By the way, shout out to Owlie Gaming again. I've been giving her a lot of shout outs and a lot of attention because she's gonna watch me today. So yeah. Bye guys. By the way, go check out my other videos, and if you're new to this channel, you guys know what I'm grabbing if you're not new to this channel. What is this? What is it? No. So you guys should subscribe, and if you're new to this channel, as I said again, subscribe. Go down to the description and hit that like button in the face. Like this. Ah. How is the vibe? How is the vibe? Nope. Ow. Oh, what the? My lighting just changed. How could this happen to me? Okay, bye guys.